Hi students, today we will discuss about bullet points from coordinate geometry. Now first point is distance between 2 points. The 2 points are capital A x1 y1, capital B x2 y2. The formula under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. We can write it as x2 minus x1 also, y2 minus y1 also. Next, section formula. Here there are two types of section formula, that is internal section formula, external section formula. Internal section formula means here the point P divides the line joining A and B internally m is to n ratio internally. So therefore it is called internal section ratio or formula. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now, external section formula. Here, P divides AB in the ratio m is to n externally. Here P is external. So, it is called external section formula. The formula is mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Next, midpoint. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Next, centroid. Centroid means the point of concurrence of medians of the triangle is called centroid, and it is denoted by capital G. Capital G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now, area of the triangle ABC. The vertices A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Sides are small a, small b, small c. Has delta is equal to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. It is also called Heron's formula. Here s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2, half of the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Next, delta is equal to another formula, half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So these are the two formulae for area of the triangle ABC. Next, slope of line joining 2 points. That means here the line AB joining A x1 y1, B x2 y2 makes an angle theta with x-axis in positive direction. That means anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, slope of the line joining two points is m is equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2 or y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It is also denoted by tan theta in trigonometric form. So this is nothing but slope of line joining two points. Next, we will discuss few previous problems. Now, let us see previous problem from 2019 March. Find the centroid of triangle PQR whose vertices are P 1, 1, Q 2, 2 or minus 3, minus 3. Here we have to find centroid. Centroid formula already we discussed. That means centroid G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now, given that P 1, 1, let us say x1, y1, Q 2, 2, let us say x2, y2, or minus 3, minus 3, let us say x3, y3. Substitute these values in centroid formula so that we get 1 plus 2 minus 3 by 3, comma 1 plus 2 minus 3 by 3. That is 0 by 3, 0 by 3. 0 by 3 means 0, 0, which is required centroid. Now, let us see previous problem from 2018 June. What is the other end of the diameter of the circle whose center is 1, 2 and one end point of diameter 3, 4. Here given data is center of the circle is 1, 2, one end of the diameter is 3, 4. We need to find other end of the diameter. So we will take diagram of the circle. Center C as given 1, 2. One end of the diameter A 3, 4. Let us say other end of the diameter B as x2, y2. Here C is the midpoint of AB. So that we have to apply midpoint formula. That means C is equal x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Center C is 1, 2 is given. That is equal to x1 value 3 plus x2 by 2, y1 value 4, 4 plus y2 by 2. Here we have to calculate x2, y2 by comparing on both sides. That means comparing x coordinates and y coordinates. That means 3 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 1. 4 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 2. 3 plus x2 is equal to x2 is equal to minus 1. 4 plus y2 is equal to 4. y2 is equal to 0. So therefore, other end of the diameter B is equal to minus 1 comma 0. Let us discuss another previous problem from 2016 June. If the slope of the line passing through the 2 points 2, 5 and 5, 8 is represented by tan theta, where 0 degrees less than theta less than 90 degrees in trigonometry, find angle theta. Here we need formula for slope. Already we discussed in bullet points. Given points are 2, 5, 5, 8. Let us say x1, y1 and x2, y2. Formula for slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That we can say tan theta also by substituting the values y2 minus y1, 8 minus 5, x2 minus x1, 5 minus 2, 3 by 3. By cancellation we get 1. This is equivalent to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 means theta is equal to 45 degrees. In this way, we discuss the problems in coordinate geometry very easily. Some more problems discussed in coordinate geometry part 2. Thank you.